So I've just received in this Aliexpress bit kit for the Leatherman. It fits the Wave Plus amongst some other models. And let's do an unboxing and first impressions. So firstly, it comes in this nifty little Altoids type tin. First thing I see is some dents on it, but it's just cosmetic, isn't it? I noticed that there is rattle, so it's loose. They're not into holders or anything. And if you slide it open, so this is a retaining nib and it slides open, you will find this plenty of bits. There's a little bit of burr. I've just left that in there. Small bit, flat and cross. We have, okay, let me split them all out. How do I do this? We have hex bits, we have flat bits, we have star bits. No particular order. So this was Aliexpress. It was about £9 if I remember correctly. Right, so hex bits, 8 pieces of hex bits times 2 sides. Star bits, 7, 2 flat and 3 cross. Obviously times that by 2 because you get 2 sides of each. And as you can see, some of them are magnetic as well, if not all. So that could be quite handy when you've got little things. Next thing is, they do have the sizes on them, which is quite handy, actually on both sides. So that's useful. If we open this up, my original one is black, and if we take one of these new ones, it's a good fit. Now it's got a little rattle. You're not going to get it perfect, are you? Bear with me. So that was a little difficult to get out. I don't know if my hands are greasy or just weak. They do have the retaining areas at the side. I had some in before and they weren't that difficult. So it goes in and it comes out. That was easier. Maybe this notch is a lot sharper, or maybe that end is too small to grip. See, this one's harder. That's a bit disappointing and quite dangerous as well. If I cut my hand trying to pull it like this. All I done just then was to use a flat bit and lift that out. In a pinch, it's good to have these, and it will come in handy, especially if I do need like a star bit or a hex. So I am going to keep these two together and keep it in my bag, my daily bag. I will sort this rattle out, so get some foam and pad it out, or a bit of rubber and see if I can make loops, possibly even a fabric loop. to slide them all in. But yep, this is the Aliexpress Leatherman bit kit. Would have been better with a holder, but let's have a little tin for now. Hope this has clarified anything if you were looking at this, if you were thinking about buying it. And yep, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.